Federal prosecutors say two doctors were planning to provide Russia with confidential information in the war with Ukraine. And now they are both on trial in Baltimore City. The married couple, who say they were set up, were allegedly caught on camera giving private medical information to undercover agents. Those doctors, working for the U.S. Army and Johns Hopkins Hospital, did not agree to a plea deal. A jury was seated in the case just moments ago, and WJZ investigator Mike Helgren is live at the federal courthouse. Mike, prosecutors say the couple were hoping to show Russia that they could be valuable assets.
They were, according to the indictment, and Denise, literally seconds ago, the defendants walked out of the courthouse hand in hand. Opening statements in the case start tomorrow. They wanted 4 alternate jurors. They ended up with 2 because so many potential jurors have strong views on Russia and Ukraine.
Please stop asking my client questions.
Jury selection is underway in the trial of married doctors Anna Gabrelian and Jamie Lee Henry. The government accuses them of trying to provide patients' private medical records to the Russian government to aid Russia in war over U.S.-backed Ukraine. Potential jurors were asked questions including, do you speak Russian, and have you served in the military, and whether their own views on the war would stop them from being impartial. One potential juror told the court she was not a real fan of the Russians. I'm an American. Dr. Gabrelian worked at Johns Hopkins Hospital. Dr. Henry was an Army major at Fort Bragg, a North Carolina base with elite soldiers. Henry also gained notoriety as the first openly transgender active-duty Army officer. The couple met in Baltimore but currently live in Montgomery County. Their babysitter.
Good, Anya good, Jamie Henry good father, Anya good mother.
The doctors sat together in court. They previously tried to separate their cases. Among the government evidence, 5 hours of video says they met with a confidential U.S. informant who they believed was a Russian operative. Defense lawyers indicated they may argue the government entrapped the doctors.
This complaint seems to me to be very much of an open and shut case. What these 2 individuals were thinking is that the Russians would want that essentially put clearly and succinctly to blackmail U.S. intelligence officers.
The court initially denied reporters access to the jury selection process, citing COVID protocol, but later reversed course, allowing limited access as jurors were picked for the high-profile trial. And again, a jury has now been seated in this case with opening statements set to start tomorrow morning. We're live at federal court. Mike Helgren, WJZ.